Maria and her husband Robert both work full-time jobs, but they are barely able to make ends meet. With 2 young children to feed and support, the couple is struggling to pay their mortgage and other bills each month. After years of hard work, Maria and her husband have exhausted all available resources to provide for their family. They still find themselves unable to come up with enough money, just to cover their basic expenses. This family's situation is not unique. Millions of Americans are facing similar financial challenges due to inflation and rising costs of living, along with a lack of savings. Unfortunately, many people in this situation feel helpless as they try unsuccessfully to get ahead. Despite working hard every day at their jobs, Maria's family has been unable to break out of the cycle of poverty that so many families face today. They, like many of you, are feeling desperate as they try hard to climb toward financial freedom. It's like trying to climb a ladder with no rungs. No matter how hard you try, you can't seem to get any closer to the top. In this video, we will share steps to help you reach the top of the mountain of financial freedom. First, let's talk about what is. Financial freedom is a concept that allows you to have control over your economic resources and manage them in a way that will lead to a secure future. It means having the ability to make decisions about how to use your money and investments without worrying about running out or having to rely on others. There's nothing like the relief of financial freedom. No more worrying about money or counting every penny just to survive. It's very liberating. Here are 8 steps to achieving financial freedom. 1. Develop a budget. A budget is an important part of financial freedom. It allows you to track your expenses, plan for the future, and make smart decisions with your money. Creating a budget is an essential step toward achieving financial freedom. It's a guide to lead you on your journey toward the freedom you desire. A budget helps to track your expenses, plan for the future, and make smart decisions with your money. With a budget, you can identify areas where you can save more money or areas that need more attention so that you can reach your financial goals. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. All it takes is a few simple steps. Start by writing down all of your sources of income, such as wages from a job or investment returns. Once you've identified how much money comes in each month, list out all of your expenses like rent/mortgage payments, groceries, credit card payments, and other bills. This will help you determine how much money is available for savings and investments each month. When you've created a plan to reach your goals, you can then save and invest according to your plan. For example, if you have a set amount of money that you want to spend on new clothes each month, then use the rest of your budgeted money for savings and investments. 2. Educate yourself about finance. Learning about the basics of finance can help you understand how to make good decisions with your money. Having a basic understanding of finances is important for anyone in order to make wise financial decisions. Knowing the basics of finance can help you understand how to manage money and use it to your advantage. It's never too late to learn about finance, regardless if you're just starting out or have been managing your money for years. There are many resources available that can teach you the fundamentals of finance, such as online courses, books, videos, and podcasts. Many local libraries offer free classes on topics like budgeting and investing, while some colleges also offer personal finance classes at low costs. You can even find tutorials online that will walk you through different aspects of managing money. No matter what your current level of knowledge may be when it comes to finances, there's always more room for learning and growth in this area. Financial literacy is key to becoming financially free. 3. Reduce debt. As soon as possible, reducing your existing debt is an essential step to achieving financial freedom. Paying off high-interest debt will help you save money in the long run. Reducing your existing debt is an essential step to achieving financial freedom. High-interest debt, such as credit cards and personal loans, can quickly accumulate if payments are not made on time. Paying off these debts will help you save money in the long run by lowering the interest rate or eliminating it entirely. To reduce your debt, you should start by focusing on high-interest accounts first and paying more than the minimum payment each month. This will help you pay off the balance faster and save money on interest payments. You may also want to consider consolidating multiple debts into one loan with a lower interest rate so that you can pay it off more quickly. Additionally, increasing your income with a part-time job or freelance work can help speed up repayment of outstanding balances while freeing up money for other expenses like groceries or utility bills. 4. Create an emergency fund. Financial freedom requires having a cushion for unexpected expenses. An emergency fund can help you stay afloat in the face of surprise costs. Creating an emergency fund is essential for financial freedom. Having a cushion of money saved can help you stay afloat in the face of unexpected costs, such as medical bills, car repairs, or home emergencies. An emergency fund should be the cornerstone of your personal finance strategy. It provides a sense of security and helps keep your budget balanced when unanticipated expenses arise. Emergency funds are just like any other savings account, but they have specific rules. It should only be used for necessary costs that cannot be covered by income or investments. And it must always remain liquid so that you can access it quickly if needed. Setting aside a certain amount each month will help build up your fund over time and give you peace of mind in case something unexpected happens. You want to make sure that your emergency fund covers at least 3 months' worth of living expenses so that you're secure no matter what comes up. 5. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself and your skills is a way to create an additional income stream and expand your earning potential. Investing in yourself and your skills is a great way to create an additional income stream and expand your earning potential. With the ever-changing job market, it has become increasingly important for individuals to be able to think outside of the box when it comes to their careers and future. Investing in yourself can not only provide you with financial security, but also confidence in your abilities as well. There are numerous ways that one can invest in themselves, such as taking courses, attending seminars or workshops, learning a new language or skill set, or even getting a degree or certification. Despite the cost associated with these investments, they will certainly pay off in the long run. Not only do they give you an edge over other candidates when applying for jobs, but they may open up entirely new fields of opportunity that weren't available before. 6. Invest in your future. Investing in stocks, bonds, and other securities is an essential part of financial freedom. It allows you to build long-term wealth and increase your financial security. Investing in stocks, bonds, and other securities is an essential part of financial freedom. It provides you with the opportunity to grow your wealth over time while simultaneously reducing your risk level. Investing in stocks, bonds, and other securities can be a great way to reach the financial goals you have set for yourself. It allows you to build long-term wealth and increase your financial security. The benefits of investing are numerous, from earning consistent returns on investments to diversifying your portfolio for better protection against market volatility. Additionally, stock markets offer tax advantages, as well as access to a wide range of investment products such as funds, ETFs, and mutual funds that allow investors to spread their risk across different asset classes. To successfully invest in stocks, bonds, or other securities, it is important to understand the basics of investing and develop an effective strategy based on individual goals. 7. Live within your means. Living within your means is important for achieving financial freedom. It means spending less than you earn and avoiding making unnecessary purchases. Living within your means is an essential part of achieving financial freedom. It involves making smart decisions with your finances, such as spending less than you earn and avoiding unnecessary purchases. When you successfully live within your means, it helps build a strong foundation for financial stability and provides you with the opportunity to save money for bigger dreams or investments in the future. Understandably, however, living within your means can be difficult when faced with unexpected expenses or lifestyle changes that increase costs. But if you can prioritize setting aside a portion of each paycheck for savings and strictly adhere to a budget when making purchases, then it becomes much easier to stay on track. Additionally, there are plenty of helpful resources available online, such as budgeting apps and personal finance blogs, that make sticking to your budget much simpler. Taking advantage of these resources can help ensure the successful implementation of balancing income against your expenses. 8. Give back. Financial freedom doesn't just mean having extra money. It also means being able to give back to your community and use your resources to make a difference. Financial freedom isn't just the ability to have the extra money in the bank. It is also about having the opportunity and capacity to give back to your community. When you are financially secure, you can make a difference in the lives of those around you. Whether that be donating money or resources, or volunteering your time and energy, giving back gives us an opportunity to use our privilege for good. It might seem intimidating at first, But there are plenty of ways to get involved in your community and impact others positively. Many charitable organizations accept donations of funds, as well as items like clothing or food for those in need. Volunteering with these organizations can be both rewarding and fulfilling when done properly. Additionally, many communities offer volunteer opportunities such as serving meals at local shelters or park cleanup projects that don't require outside assistance or donations from individuals. The path toward financial freedom might seem like pushing a boulder up a hill at first, but commit to taking the first steps and watch how things become more and more easier as you go. You will not regret the hard work once you see all the success you can achieve as you get closer and closer to living financially free. Leave a comment below to let us know that you are ready to make that commitment and how we're going to take action. Thank you so much for watching our video. Wishing you great success. And please, like and subscribe to our channel.